G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, the brother-in-law's got me on another one of his errands, picking up freebies. This time, believe it or not, it's a free air compressor. Supposedly it's a twin, I think it's a V-twin Clisby. I mean, I can't believe this. A V-twin Clisby for free. This is off a Gumtree. Now the brother-in-law, anything's possible, and I'm his fall guy down in Adelaide here, so I'll go over and get it. And I have no idea what this thing's going to be like and what it looks like. I can't see the ad on Gumtree. It's probably been taken down. So we'll go and get this thing and see. Okay, we're getting close now. This is where trailers are handy because, you know, anything heavy, you don't want to be busting your boiler trying to lift it up on the train.
Right on the roundabout, third exit, Towers Terrace.
I hear you, babe. I hear you. Round the right. Trailer's still in the back. Yeah, everything's holding together. Yeah, where to next?
After 200 metres, turn left, Daly Street.
Aha, we're nearly there. Daly Street. Daly Street, where are you? It's just
Turn left.
Here it is. Here it is. We're there. Okay. Now, what the hell was the number? Okay. Other end. Well, down the other end. That'll be far now.
After 200 metres, you have reached your destination on your left.
Okay, baby, where is it? I can almost smell it. It's close. It's close. That's the next one. Here we go.
You have reached your destination on your left.
Toot the horn, he said, so we did. Friggin' sushi car. What next? Can you believe this? Have a look at that. I mean, look at the motor. Twin V-belt pulley. Probably a 1 3/4 horse motor. I mean, the motor would be $100 to buy, second hand even. And then you've got a V-twin compressor. They're normally a 7 or an 8 cubic foot, depending on how hard you spin them. Clisby, a decent looking tank, not super old. I mean, all that's wrong is a few fittings are busted off, and the guy just decided he doesn't want it. Unbelievable. But as you can see, you know, it's too heavy to lift up onto the back of the ute, so this is where you want a trailer. And yeah, it just shows you what people chuck out and give away, and it's unbelievable. Literally unfriggin' believable. The brother-in-law will be beside himself. Ha! Unreal. So, what's to go with this? Well, this is loose. This needs reattaching, but that's just a few screws. No big deal, we can sort that out. The cutter for the automatic cutout is loose. There's a screw missing at the top. He said he put a new automatic cutout on it, but whether it works or not, I don't know. Whether the whole thing runs, I don't know. It's missing the tap for the outlet on the tank, and it's missing the pressure gauge that goes into this union here. Everything else appears to be there. The drain, tap, the whole thing. I mean, the wiring's pretty dodgy the way it's been done, and whether it goes, we'll have to try it out and see. I suppose the first thing is, has it got oil? I'll need a spanner and we'll open that up and have a look in there. Oh, that's a bit tight. Oh, there she goes. Hasn't been out for a while. With these, you can just top them up with automatic transmission fluid. It works pretty good on compressors. You don't have to use compressor oil. Oh, it's got plenty of oil. It's actually over full, so, and it's clean, so oil's okay. Being a bit over full, well, you should have it on the line, but it's only a bit over, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. The brother-in-law can sort all that out. And it was clean. So we'll just do an earth check. Earth leakage check. The wiring of the thing's not very good. Whoever put on the new cutout switch didn't even bother to feed the wiring up through the correct position. They've probably lost a screw. The plug, look at that, it's not even in properly. The whole thing needs going over. But we'll do a continuity check on the earth to see if it's okay, and if it's okay, we'll fire it up and see what happens. All looks good. Should go. All right, I'll switch it on and see what happens. Ah! Well, it goes. There's a few more loose bits, obviously. Now there's screws missing everywhere in this thing, but it does spin over. I'll fire it up again. No problem. No knocks, no rattles, no bad noises. So yeah, brother-in-law's got himself an absolute bargain. All he has to do is tizzy it up, and he's got a great little compressor. I mean, how can you go, eh? I mean, how can you go wrong? Unbelievable. Anyway, there you go. Bargain of the decade. The old bro, he's just incredibly lucky at times. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right, well that's it from me. Until next time, see you around. Cheers.